Greetings. In this session, let's see how we can perform basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus from user-entered numbers. First, let's open our class program importing our scanner class since we will be receiving user data. And in the class scope, now we can open our main method to write our code. To input data dynamically, we need the scanner object. Now, let's ask the user for our first number using print command. Note that I am using print method instead of println method. Let's receive the input in integer type, so we specify the data type as int with the variable name as a. Let's do the same for our second number and name it b. Now we write the code for calculation operations on the received variables, as these variables now hold the user entered data. Once we perform the operations, we can separately store the result variables in a different variable. We can do this by first specifying the data type of the variable, then the variable name, and finally by just assigning the calculation of the user entered data variables. As you saw, to create a variable, we need to specify the data type and then give a variable name. This process is called as instantiation. After a variable is created within a local scope, we need to assign it with some relevant data. This process is called as initialization. Here we are instantiating and initializing with calculation operations at the same time. Now in the Eclipse IDE, we can compile and run to see the result in console. The program was executed successfully. Let's trace our program now. After the user initializes the data dynamically for A and B, they will be now 21 and 16. Now in the next step, A and B will be added, which will result in 37. This will be initialized to the add variable. Next, we have subtraction. So 21 is subtracted with 16, resulting 5 is initialized to subvariable. Moving on, we have multiplication, division, and modulus initializing to prod, div, and mod variables respectively. Now, with the help of print command, we display the data of these result variables. Congratulations! Now you have created a simple calculator with Java code. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.